A string. Yes, thank you. So string represented using single quote, double quote, and triple quote. Represented using single quote, double quote, and triple quote. For single line string, we go for this string indexing, two types, positive and negative. Positive index, negative index. Starts from left to right, index starts with 0. Negative index starts with -1, right? Yes. File, new file. Now, string slicing, right? Extracting particular portion of a string. Extracting particular portion of a string. String slicing, extracting particular portion of a string. X equal to Python program. X equal to Python program. Extract only Python from this. Try to extract only Python from this, right? Srinivas D, be in mute. Extract only Python from this, right? Yes, extract only Python means, right, print, yes, X of,
X of 5.
0, 1, 2, 3, start with 0. 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is it? 0 to? I want responses from you, right? Everyone try to interact, try to respond, right? So
0 to 5.
0 to 5.
0 to 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
See, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, it should be 0 to 5, but I'm taking 6. This we call it as lower bound. This we call it like upper bound. Always upper bound is excluded. Always upper bound is excluded.
Okay.
If you give 5, 5 will be excluded. 5 gets excluded, right? Yes. So 5 will be excluded means this n you won't get. You won't get this n, right? Yes. Observe this output.
I think the bracket is not
There's
closed.
one bracket is to be closed. Yes. Run this, run module, right? What is that? Python. You got Python, right? Yes. Next. Extract the middle portion of the string. Extract the middle portion of the string like that. I want a PROG, only these 4 characters. Try to extract and everyone try to respond.
PROG 0 to 4.
Not 0.
Oh, program. Sorry. Yeah, 6, 7. So 7 to 8, 9, 10, 11.
12.
12. 7 to 12.
Yes, 7 to
12.
12.
7 to 12. 12.
12. 7 you want, 8 you want, 9 you want, 10 you want.
11.
11 we need.
7 to
11 excluded means 7 to 10. Means even the blank string is going to take, right? One index, right? So if anybody unable to respond, you can just give a response through chat. I'll be seeing your responses, right? Yes. Okay. 7 to 11. Check this output. Run module. Slicing a portion of a string. Yes, PROG, right? Yes, PROG. Next. What if I say extract, okay, print x of 11 to 7, what will be the output? Hmm. 7 to 11 means PROG. In the opposite way, if I say 11 to 7, right?
URP.
RG or P.
Empty string it returns. Always slicing in the forward direction. Always slicing in the forward direction. If you go in the backward direction, empty string you will get. See, observe here. Previously, PROG, you are going in forward direction. Python, previously you are going in forward direction. But if you are going like this, 11 to 7 means in this way. Empty string, right? Empty string.
Yeah.
Always slicing in backward. You got empty string, right? Check this. Empty string. Yes. Next. For example, extract PROG using negative index. Extract PROG using negative index, right? Everyone, give your responses first.
So -4 to 8. Yeah, probably
-4 to -8.
-3 to 8.
-3 to 8 is wrong. -4 to 8 is
-3.
wrong.
No, because it's starting.
It starts from -1.
Starts with -1, but you are going backward direction. -4 to -8 means you are going backward or forward.
Oh, so it'll be -8 to -4.
-8 to -4, you are near to it, but it's not correct.
It's -4 to
Minus-
-7 or
-8 to
-4 to -9, I think.
-8 to -3.
-8 to -3, no. -8 it is. -3 is correct.
yeah, -3 to
No. Yes, Nidhi Gupta, right? Nidhi Gupta.
-7 to
-3.
Oh, yeah.
See here, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Start with -7 you want, -6 you want, -5 you want, -4 you want. -3 excluded, up to -4 it considers PROG, right? You are going in forward direction. Using negative index also, you should go in forward direction.
forward direction.
If you go in backward, it use empty string, right?
Okay.
And now try to extract the entire word extract the entire word program. Extract the entire word program, right? Using past. No,
I mean,
first-
7 to 11
Yes,
or 12.
8 to
using past to index, you say me first x of 7 to
7 to
Yeah.
12 or 11? 11.
Program, not
Program.
PR.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
it
Oh,
15?
13.
14.
Is it
14.
13 or
15?
14?
15?
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If I give
14 then?
13, if I give, M will be excluded. 14,
Yeah, so
14.
14.
14th index is not available, right? Up to
Yeah.
13 only.
Mm,
But can I give 14 or not?
yes,
Because 14 excluded, right? We are not accessing it.
right.
Accessibility, yeah.
So up to 7 to 13 only it will consider. Otherwise, shortcut to this. I think the 2x you got. Sorry. Please be in mute. So print x of, if you got background noise, right, you can just give your response to chart. 7 to, I won't give the upper bound. I'll ignore the upper bound. Means by default, it reads from 7 to up to the end of the string. So this is
Oh,
7 to end of the string it reads. 7 to 14, these two results the same output, right? Just check this one, run module. 7 to, yes. See, instead of 7 to 14, I'll give 7 to 20 also. Will it work?
Yeah, because I think
Yes.
there is, I mean, upper bound doesn't access
Yes.
all.
Yeah.
Upper bound, yes, anything will work.
Yeah.
Just now you said, right, 7 to 14, 7 to 15.
Yeah.
Yes, it will work. Same thing. Anything upper bound, whatever you do, it will work. So 7 to 14, 14 index we are not accessing, up to 13 only. So try to extract program using negative index. Everyone try to answer now. Extract the program using negative index.
Negative index. 6, 7.
-7 to 0, or you leave it blank at the end.
-7 to 0.
0 means this P. 0 means this P positive.
Oh, you're right. Yeah. So you leave it blank?
Yes, the only choice is any other choice, right?
Yeah.
X of -7 to
Blank.
0. We cannot. 0 means this P.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
It just goes to P. So.
Yeah, yeah, it's P.
Ignore this, right? Upper bound means from -7 to up to the end of the string.
End of the
So
string.
then it will go, if you are ignoring means it will go in the forward direction only up to the end of the string if you're not giving the upper bound, right? Yes, program. These three results in the same. Now, what if will you get error if I want to provide this lower bound? If I ignore this lower bound, do you get error?
No, it probably starts from the
I
beginning.
think, yeah,
Yes, it starts from the beginning to
beginning. Yeah.
six excluded up to 5.
Up
This
to
and
5.
this and this are both are same.
Same.
So if you're not giving the lower bound, it starts from the start index. If you're not providing the upper bound, it will read up to the end of the string.
String.
See this output. What is the output? Python.
Yeah.
Python. See the first one and this Python, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now try to answer. If I ignore both lower bound and upper bound, both I'm ignoring, right?
First to last.
Yes, first to last, entire string it reads. If you're not
Mm.
giving lower bound means it starts from the beginning. If you're not
Beginning,
giving it up to end it reads, right? Entire Python program. Is that compulsory to provide space there? Is it compulsory?
No.
Your space and
No,
Yes.
it is.
all these three statements results the same output.
Oh,
With space or without space or only exit
mm.
Python program. What is that? Python program. And
Mm.
so if you are giving space or without space, or this last to 4 statements results the same output. 0 to up to the end.
End.
Right? Yes. Right. Is it valid if I provide both positive and negative index? Minus 7 to 11. One is negative, one is positive. Is it valid? Minus 7 to 11. Check this. Minus
Yeah,
7.
I think,
Minus 7 means
-7.
yeah,
11 means this R.
yeah,
Minus 7 to 11 means
So you will get program,
Yeah,
you will
prog.
get PROG.
proud, yeah,
PROG is here. It's forward index, forward direction only, right? It's valid.
Mm.
PROG. For example, minus 7 to 11. For example, print x of, check this, 0:14 means entire string, entire string. But I doesn't want entire string. I want only, see, 2 I am giving here. What is this, your observation here? What is your observation if I give 2 there?
I think last two will be excluded.
0 to 14 with a increment by 2, with a step of 2.
It'll skip every other
Yeah.
letter.
So 0 index, 2 index, 4, 6, 8,
Yeah.
10,
So
12.
alternate variables, yeah.
Only this even indexes it is going to read.
Mm.
No, here I'm giving, for your understanding, I will write a comment here. What is that? Start index. Start index. Second is like stop index. And step.
Okay, sir.
Start, stop, step. Step means increment by. Means if I give 0 to 14 instead of 2, if I give 3 there, what are that? 0,
Every third letter.
Each third letter will be picked.
0,
Mhm.
3, 6, 9, 12.
Mhm.
So if it is 2 means what are that? First 0 means P it reads. Next T it reads. Next O space
Space.
R G A. Check it. Same thing. Right. So understanding right here, it reads even indexes. For example, print x of 0 to 14 means, can I say the same thing?
No.
Yes, go ahead. Any query?
So can you explain the 0 is to 14 is to 2? I didn't get the concept.
0 to 14 means entire string, right? 0 to 14 means the entire string, right?
Yes, sir.
But I doesn't want the entire string with the increment or with a step of 2. Means after 0, read the second index. Go to jump to second. Next after 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Means read the even indexed characters. Understand this? First 0 you read. After that 0, step by 2 means this. Step by 2 means after 0, second index. See, after this 4th index. Oh, after that 6th index with the increment by 2, step by 2. Understanding? Here 0 to 14 means by default. Here if you give 0 to 14, increment by 1 means 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4, 5 up to 13 you will read. By default, if you're not. Otherwise, if you give 2 means 0 index, next to second index, whichever character is there, that character you read. Next to 4th index, 6. Step, we say step by 2 means increment by 2. What is this?
Same thing. As
Same
it-
or both results
Yeah.
the same output, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Both results the same output. Now observe here, print x. Understood everyone? This 0, 14 to anyone? Okay. Now x of colon -1 reverses the string. Reverses the string. -1 means okay, backward to reverses the string. Reverses the string. PYTHON program. Yes. Okay. Now, have you heard about the word palindrome? Palindrome means,
Yes.
I think it's the same when you just reverse or in the
yes,
I mean-
if we reverse a string, if we get the same string, it is a palindrome. Examples of this palindrome, anyway?
Malayalam.
Yes, Malayalam. If you reverse it, you'll get the same thing, right? Malayalam. Any other?
Madam.
Little.
MADAM, madam. Next is, what is that? Little.
Little.
Nitin. NITIN.
Mom.
Okay.
Pop.
Yes. EOP. X equal to, if I'm taking a string MADAM, print X, it prints madam. If I reverse it, how to reverse it? Just now we discussed, right? If it's the reversing a string. Store this in a variable y and print this y. Print X and print y both are same, right?
Yes.
Both prints, madam. It's a palindrome. It's a palindrome. So in Python, we don't need to write huge codes, right? So we have got many inbuilt methods are available. Right, file, new file, right now. Discussing about string methods. String methods, right? Yes. First. For example, if you want to print a string in uppercase, we have got a method upper. To print in uppercase. For example, X equal to HYDE or ABA, Hyderabad, right? Print it in uppercase. If I want to print this in uppercase, X dot upper, right? X dot upper. Check this output. Run module, printing Hyderabad in uppercase. Right. Second, LOWER, right? Lower. To print in lowercase. Okay. X equal to MUMBAI. Print X dot lower. X is the string. I want to print it in lowercase. Right. Run module, right? Printing Mumbai in lowercase, right? But see, observe this third. X equal to India, INDIA. I want only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. How can I do? I want only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. What can I do, right?
You do upper for the index 0.
And for
There
all
is
the
a
remaining,
function for this.
Oh, yeah, then how do you print the rest?
there is a function. Yeah.
Oh, capital.
Check this capitalized, right? Yes. Yes, only the first character only it will capitalize. Remaining all in the lower cases, right? No need to do like x of 0 to upper again concatenate with the remaining part of the string, right? Just we use this capitalize.
Even if we have multiple words, sir.
Yeah, I'm coming to the next example. For capitalizing the first character, for capitalizing the first character of a string. Okay. For example, observe this. For example, x equal to like good evening, Hyderabad. How many words are there?
Three.
How many words in this?
3.
3 words. I want every word first character in the uppercase. I want each word first character in the uppercase.
The same thing work for this? Capitalize X. Oh,
Capital-
title.
Capitalize means only G will appear in uppercase.
Ah, okay.
Title means how many words, if 20 words are there, for 20 words, first character will appear in uppercase.
Okay.
Good evening, Hyderabad. You may, okay, 1 second. Good evening, Hyderabad. Means every word first character appeared in uppercase, right? Yes. So what is that method? Title. What is? To capitalize the first character of each word in a string, right? Yes. Next, for example, you may ask where exactly this title will be useful, right? In real time. Just observe this example too. If you got some employees, think that you got some 100 employees. EMPS employees equal to some names I'm giving. Rohit, Ajay, James, Miller, Blake, John. In this way, you got some 100 names. I want every employee first character in the uppercase. Every employee name, first character in the uppercase. What should I say? Yes.
And EMPS title.
EMPS dot title, right?
Title. Yeah.
So each and every, even if you got 1,000 employees, first character in the uppercase, right? Rohit, Ajay, James, Miller, Blake, John. Right? Got it? Title. This is what title. The method is title. Rohit, Ajay, James, Miller, Blake, John. Similarly, we have got many methods are available. No need to write code here. Swap case. Converts one case to another. Converts one case to another case. Converts one case to another means, for example, x equal to good evening, Hyderabad. What is this swap case?
Extra.
Everything will be uppercase. Everything will turn to uppercase.
So if
Yeah.
it is in lower, converts to upper. If it is in upper, converts to lower. It reverses the case, right?
Mm-hmm.
Print x dot swap case. So good evening, everything in uppercase, right? Yes. Run model, check this. Okay. Replace, we have got a method called replace. For replacing a portion of a string. For example, x equal to, I'm saying like Java is easy. Parent x dot replace the word Java with Python. What is the output you get?
Python is easy.
Python is
Python
easy.
easy, right? Check it. Run model. Replace the word Java with Python. Replace. Python is easy. For example, multiple occurrence of Java here. Java is easy and Java is, and saying Java is simple. In this way, Java occurred for 10 times. Do you think it will replace each and every occurrence of Java or only the first occur Java?
Every.
So it replaces every occurrence of Java, right? So it
Yeah.
says Python is easy and Python is simple. This is the output you get. Okay. Observe this.
Sir, one question here. What if we have to replace only first occurrence?
So no. It replaces each and every occurrence. Otherwise, if you want, okay, if you want, you can do it by using regular expressions. Fine. Okay, here it replaces each and every occurrence of Java with Python, but only the first one only. If you want the remaining all, right? Just you need to do some kind of coding for it. Directly not possible. We need to go with regular expressions with Python. Next, one more example. Check this example, right? Okay, in this way you can replace any word. Count, C-O-U-N-T, count, right? To count the number of occurrences. To count the number of occurrences of each substring or a character of it. To count the number of occurrences of each substring or a character. To count the number of occurrences of each substring or a character. Okay, x equal to, I'm taking a general string like hello, hello, hello. Print x dot count of a particular word like hello, HELLO. What is that count?
3.
3. X dot count of this particular character H. Count is what? 4.
4.
Count of H is 4. Count of hello is 3. Run module. Check this.
3.
Yes. For example, like I want to take a triple quote, multi-line string data equal to, I'll take multi-line. For example, I'll bring some data, some 10 lines, multiple lines of string. Are there. If I use what? Double quotes. Say I said Python, okay, if I use double quote here, right? Double quote, control V. 1 second. So if you observe carefully here, Python providing different colors for different things. Comment in red color, strings in green color, print function in violet color, keywords in orange color. But if I take strings in green color, but here if I take in 10 lines, if I give double quotes, only the first line is considered as a string. If I give double quote, it takes a single line string. It's a single line string. It takes only the first line. So provide triple quote here. It takes all the 10 lines as a string, right? You go with triple quote. Whenever you got multiple lines, single line, you can go with single or double, right? Okay. Now from this print data dot print data dot count of what? The word Python, Python, right? Data dot count of Python. Check this. 10. What is it? Python pin run module. You got 10, right? Now just observe this. Can I use two methods? Can I use two methods? Data dot count of Python. Try to say what is that count you get? Python. What is the count you get for this?
Same, 10.
Zero means Python is case sensitive.
Oh.
Uppercase, lowercase are taken differently. Python is zero.
Okay.
Case sensitive. It gives zero here. So, but I want to apply two methods here. Python, count of Python if you want. First, what you do? Data dot lower, convert to everything into lowercase, dot count of Python.
Oh, yeah, now
Can I
I,
say?
Yeah.
Everything, total entire 10 lines into lowercase first, next count of Python you say. If you got combination of both past, so now you'll get 10.
10.
Two methods I'm applying. The output what you get from this, then that I'm applying count dot Python. We have got a method called format method for substitutions. For substitutions, right? Yes. X equal to, I'm saying like is the captain of Indian team, right? It's just like fill up the blank, right? Just to give some curly bracket, no space between. Print X is the string in that format. What is the substitution? Who is that? Rohit. Just to say X dot format Rohit. What is the output you get?
Rohit is the captain of India.
Rohit is the captain of Indian team. Multiple substitutions you can do, right? Observe this. Y equal to his name is, and he is a. Try to do some substitution for this. Y dot format.
Rohit actor.
His name is Ritik, and he is a actor. His name is, he is a actor. So try to frame for this one more example, right? Try to frame some meaningful sentences from this. I want 3 or 4.
Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana.
Print, yes. HYD, Hyderabad,
Capital.
comma, capital, comma, Telangana, right? Yes. Okay, this is one. Print. One more substitution. Modi, PM, Prime Minister, comma, India. Modi is the PM of India. KCR is the CM of Telangana. Print. One more substitution. Any Rahul Gandhi. Rahul, son of Rajiv. Rahul is the son of Rajiv. Here also you can say Rohit. In this way, many substitutions you can do. Captain, India. Yes, in this way, multiple substitutions. Rohit, captain, India. Delhi is capital. Okay.
You
Delhi is
didn't put format.
Delhi is the capital of India. And one more, right? Check this. Yes. Curly bracket, comma, curly bracket, comma.
Z
curly
dot
bracket.
format is missing.
Excuse me, sir.
What is it? Yes,
Z
yes.
dot format is
Yes,
Format,
I
yeah.
know all this, right? Z dot
Yeah.
Z dot format. Run module, right? Yes. Hyderabad is capital of Telangana. Modi is the PM of India. Rahul is the son of Raju. Rohit is the captain of India. W equal to, just observe this, W equal to these are the trending technologies. Print, yes, W dot format. Python, PySpark, AWS dot W dot format. Run module. Yes, right. This is what substitution format method. Next, we have got a method called strip method, strip. For removing, we don't need to write huge codings here. We have got many methods for removing the blank spaces. For removing the blank spaces before and after. For removing the blank spaces before and after the string. X equal to, for example, I got some space here. I got a lot of space here. Good evening, Hyderabad. So I got some spaces after that and before it, right? What is the index of G? What is the index of G? Is it 0?
Actually.
No.
No, somewhere it will be like 8
Yeah.
or 9, right?
Yeah,
What is the
it will be-
index of D? Is it -1?
No.
No.
So we
it
cannot
will be- yeah.
we cannot perform either indexing or slicing here, right? Because you got some spaces. X comma len of X means including the blank spaces. Length including the blank spaces. So what is the length? 48. Okay. Now I want to remove the blank space means the X dot strip, that's it. It removes the blank space before and after. X dot strip means removes the blank space before and after. Store the result in Y. Print Y and len of Y, you say. Print Y comma len of Y. Good evening, Hyderabad. So previously, what was the length? Now what is the length? Previously, the length of the string was 48. Now the length is 22. Nearly 26 blank spaces got removed before and after the string. It removes only the blank spaces before and after, but not in the middle of the string, right? Yes, I'll take 5 minutes more. Observe. I got a method called find method, find, to check whether a substring is available or not, to check whether a substring is available or not, right? Yes. To check whether a substring is available or not. Check whether a substring is available or not means yes. X equal to Python is easier than Java. So I want to check whether the word Java is available in this string or not. Print. So here to check whether substring is available or not. If found, it returns the first character index position. Else it returns -1. If found, it returns the first character index position, else it returns -1. Print x dot find the word Java is available or not. If Java is available, it gives the Java the J stuff first character index position, J index position. Yes, it is available, right? What is the index of J? It returns 22, right? For example, if it is not available, right? Print x dot find, right? Yes. X dot find Hadoop, whether Hadoop is available, right? If not available, it returns -1, right? It returns what? -1. Split. There is a method called split. If we split a string, based on delimiter, we get a list. For example, employee detail is given like this: EMP equal to employee ID, employee name Ajay, salary 20,000, salary some 50,000, designation manager, and salary 50,000. I want to print only the employee name and salary. Printing employee name and salary, slicing is difficult, right? So if I split it, emp dot split it. If I split a line, generally in English, if you split a line, we get words, right? Here also, if you split a line, if you split a string, we get a list of strings. How many strings I will get? List of 4 strings. Split based on what? Comma. This between the words comma is split based on comma and store the result in y. If I split based on comma, print y, and type of y is what type? Everyone. Type of y is what type?
String.
If we split a string, we get a list.
List will get.
So if we are splitting this, we get a list. So in that list, you will get four, in the list, you will see 4 words. Using index, you can access the name and salary. Check it, which one you want to access. List you got in that Ajay and salary. ID, name, salary. This one index and 3 index you want. Print y of 1 and y of 3. Print y of 1 comma y of 3. Yes, that's it. Prints name and salary. Name and salary is printing, right? Yes. Understood. These are the methods, mostly used methods, right? Split, find, strip, format, count, replace, swap case, title, capitalized, lower and upper, right? Yes. Okay, fine. So the next session, that is, I think today will be the last, and from the next session, the link is changing, right? So everyone get enrolled. And you will get the link to your mail IDs. Check it. If you have paid the fees, don't forget to send the screenshot of your payment to that mail ID provided. Otherwise, you won't get this link. So you can see in the chart, a message is given by that online team, their contact details, the payment details, everything is provided, and it's for Python Core and Advanced. We'll be spending nearly 70 hours. Python Core Advanced and application oriented modules related to different things, right? So the fee is just 5K. It's an offer batch, and people who wants to go for full stack Python Core Advanced application oriented modules, web development, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and Django framework applications creations. For that, it's 10K. The fees is 10,000, right? Yes. So, and one more. Is it fine for everyone having a session tomorrow, right? Saturday?
Yes, sir.
No,
No. So try to confirm in the chat, right? Everyone saying.
Is it the
Yes.
same time or it's a different time?
So tomorrow it's a, it's Saturday, right? So we go with a little early, somewhere like 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. Is it fine if it is 8 to 9?
I thought it was only Monday through Friday.
Yeah, it is Monday to Friday, but if it is fine for you, I can take a session for only for this week.
Oh, just for this week?
Yes.
Okay.
So if you can spend like 1 hour from 8 to 9 instead of going late 10 o'clock, if it is fine, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Sir, one doubt, please.
Yes.
Full stack
so-
development will take how many days, sir?
So full stack Python Core and Advanced takes 2 months, and that remaining all that full stack takes 2 more months. Totally 4 months it takes. But
So-
if anyone has got any urgency, if you want parallelly, you can go, right? Means
Okay.
attending this Monday to Friday, that Python Core Advanced. In the weekends, weekend batches are there for Django, right? Framework.
Okay. Okay.
Where we can complete in 2.5 to 3 months, 2.5 months like it.
Okay.
So just try to confirm that if everyone fine tomorrow, and so say in the chat panel, say yes or no, it's not a course, right? 8 p.m. in the evening instead of going at 10 o'clock, only for tomorrow. Monday onwards it will be at 10. But I said after 1 week time, it goes to at 9 p.m. in the evening, 9 p.m., right? So tomorrow it's 8 o'clock with a new link, and the two who has got enrolled will be getting that link, right? And tomorrow,
It's a new link for tomorrow itself, sir.
yes, from tomorrow itself, a new link. Today will be the last. A new link.
so-
And those who got enrolled will be getting the link. And tomorrow a WhatsApp group is created. Group will be created for technical discussions, other things, right? Fine.
So
And-
is it Sunday also or just for tomorrow?
Only for tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow just you can attend. If you are unable, right, you will get the recorded video, right?
Okay.
So you can watch on tomorrow and Sunday, you can watch it. And Monday at 10 o'clock,
Sir,
we
excuse me,
attend
sir.
regular time, right? Yes, yes.
So where can we get recorded videos, sir?
Recorded videos, 1 second. Everyone got your mail IDs, the recorded link. Can you have it checked?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I have it.
Yes, you have received. You check that, you will check your mail, right?
So actually, I'm new, sir. Today only I joined. Still didn't pay fees, sir.
Okay. Once you get enrolled, right? Your Google Drive, all these videos you'll be getting it. Your Google Drive.
In mails through mail.
Yes, mail that is Gmail, Google Drive is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, in that Google Drive, you will get it. Or through mail, you can get it. You can check it in the mail, right?
Okay, sir.
In the mail, there will be a link. If you click it, daily one video will be added to that. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
So for
fine.
tomorrow class, I will get a confirmation whether the class will be there or not.
Tomorrow, no, I'm saying, right? Tomorrow you'll have a class at 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. in the evening, right?
Okay.
Everyone saying fine, right? It's fine. Everyone saying fine. So.
Yes.
So the only for tomorrow you can attend. So we'll confirm it and a group will be created, WhatsApp group. That are nice. So, okay. Fine. Tomorrow at 8 o'clock, new link, check your mails. The link will be forwarded to your mails. Okay, fine.
Okay. So tomorrow morning also can I pay?
Yes, you can pay tomorrow morning or afternoon, right? Before the class, if you are paying, right? Share that link.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so
Thank you.
I'm stopping here. We'll continue tomorrow. Yes. Thank you all
Sir,
for your
once
time.
Thank you.
if you're interested to join in the full stack, I mean, after 1 month or something, can we join? And is there any,
Okay.
right now, I'm just taking the Java core and advanced. If I wanted to continue, I just paid for this. And if I wanted to continue, I mean, after 1 month, can I just pay like that? Or so is there any?
So I think 1 second. Python, it is 5K actually, and for that Django web development, that is HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, Django framework, and all this. It's 7K actually. Totally like it's 12K. But if you are paying in a single shot, they are giving like 10K.
Oh.
Fine. So in a single payment, if you're doing that full stack, total full stack, you are going for full stack, it is 10K. If you are going for Python, it is 5K. And later, like 5 and 7.
4 and
if you-
advanced.
4 and advanced is 5K. Later separately we go, right, it will be like
So excuse me, sir.
6 or 7, right? 6 or like,
Sir,
yes. What is it?
this course is only for core and advanced Python also.
No. Total full stack will be covered.
In this course.
Means Python core will be there, and means once you get enrolled into full stack, right, you can attend any of my Django
No,
batches.
sir. If I pay 5K, to which classes can I attend?
Same, whatever we are discussing, Rob, the same batch, same,
Core and advanced, only Python.
only Python core advanced.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Python core and advanced, 70 hours, right? You can attend for 2 months, 2.5 months it takes. Fine, right? Any other queries, anyone?
Okay, sir. Actually, today I have installed this Python in my PC.
Mhm.
Actually, when I'm open this IDLE, I'm getting that file, edit, shell, debug, option, and window. I'm not getting the same window what you are showing here. I'm
Can you
not
share-
getting.
Can you share your screen?
Okay.
Is there a green color beside the chart share screen option is there, right? Green colored one. You can click it.
1 second. Share.
What you are getting, you say, once you're not getting run option,
Yes.
the file, new file, you click. File, new file. Okay. So this is interactive mode. File, new file, you click. File, new file. Now you get it. Now you will get that run
Oh,
option. You got the run
okay.
option, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
I can see now. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
stop sharing, right?
And if I want to see the all these functions, string functions, how can I able to see those ones?
String methods, right?
Yes.
Yes. We got help function. Help function I said, right?
Yes.
Help
I tried. Okay. So for each method, I need to type that help, or just can I type help string?
Help of string str. Help on
Oh,
help bracket str. No space. This is one way. There is one other way, right? Yeah, squeeze text lines. Click that, squeezed. Click it, yes. Double click.
Oh,
You'll get all the methods.
okay, okay.
Total history of that, right? Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, fine. Okay. Any other queries, right? Anyone? Right.
Sir, would we be switching to a different editor going forward?
Yes,
Or
yes.
we will be continuing with idle only?
No, no, no.
Because let's say if you are enrolling for full stack, so web technologies and all, I think a better editor would be much better, I guess.
So yes, yes. So I'll be showing you in different IDs, right? How to download and how to install, like PyCharm, Jupyter, Spider, Eclipse, all this I'll be showing you in this process. So I'll be showing you like every 10 days one ID you'll be working with.
Okay, okay.
So tomorrow, if you go to any environment like data science, big data, or any web applications creations, right? You can just work with that ideas. Okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
I'll be showing you the Anaconda distributions. I'll be showing you with the Anaconda distribution, how we can download and how to install and how to work within this Anaconda, right? Jupyter, Spider, all this. Okay. Fine. So I'm stopping here. Yes, we'll continue tomorrow at 8 p.m. in the evening, 8 o'clock, right? Yes, fine.